This is common sneezeweed. It is a late summer, early fall bloomer. Does attract lots of smaller pollinators. Bright yellow blooms. These are first-year plants. I planted them in the spring, and they are probably about 3 feet tall, and have just started blooming over the last, I would say, maybe 2 weeks. So I've got blooms on this section. This section is covered in blossoms, and it looks like this plant may have more of a bit of a reddish center than the others. They are just strictly yellow. So I'm interested to see how that plays out once this one is in full bloom. But this area gets, I say part to full sun. It gets shaded out by different things throughout the day. This area in general stays a little bit more on the moist side, and it seems to be doing really well here. Again, bringing in lots of the smaller pollinators, little bees and bumblebees. I just saw a wasp floating around and some flies. So nice, again, late summer to early fall bloomer. Common sneezeweed.